let's get into the video. The first item I have to show you is a sweater. It's actually a sweater set, so I'll pull it out so you can see it. So first we have this little camisole sort of deal that you put on. Then we have this cute little sweater that goes over the top. So I'll get closer so you can see the knit. So let's go ahead and give this one a try. Oh my gosh, would you look at this little top set. This is so cute. You have the little over sweater right here and then the under sweater here. I've pulled it down a little bit to show a little skin. But if you want, you can pull it up and pull this down and just wear it like that, and then you're skin free. So whichever way you prefer to wear it, I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So let me spin around and give you the full tour of the shirt. And what did you think? This is our first outfit, so tell me which outfit is your favorite in the comments below. Let's move on to the next outfit. The next item I have for you is a sweater dress. I am so excited to try this on. When I saw it, I just fell in love. Here is the front of the sweater dress. And then here is the back of the sweater dress. So it's got a cute little tie on it. Let me get close to show you the knit. For Shein, it's fairly thick knit, I'd say. So let's go ahead and try this one on. Here is the dress. I love it. It comes to a perfect length, not too high, not too low. I'll turn around and show you the back. And I know that I have a bra strap showing, so you might want to wear like the kind of cups, whatever those things are, those things that just stick onto you. But I'm not going to be wearing those today. The sleeves do kind of bell out just a little bit, which I think is super cute. And if you haven't noticed, I changed hair because I figured a change of hair with a change of clothes would be a nice added touch. So let me know what you think about this outfit in the comments below, and let's move on to the next one. Next up, we have a shirt. This is the shirt. It is striped and body hugging, and I think it will be so cute underneath something or on its own. Show you the knit. It is you can kind of see through it. I don't know if you can see my hand through it, but you'd want to wear a bra with this for sure. So let's go ahead and give this one a try. Okay, so I got this top to wear as more of like an undershirt because it was skin tight and I'm always cold, so I try to wear undershirts under my clothes. I got it in a size, I believe, extra small, and I think that I got it just a little bit too small because it's very, very extra tight and I'm just not feeling it. But I'll show you the outfit anyway, or the shirt anyway. Here it is. It has kind of like a square neckline, which I'm finding that if I don't pull it up, my bra shows, so I'm not really happy about that. I'll turn it around. And yes, it matched the wig again, so I thought, why not put it on? Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. Does it look like it's a little bit too tight? It feels like it's a little bit too tight, so let me know. Let's go ahead and move on to the next outfit. Next up, I have this awesome little suit. Let me show you. The suit comes with this top right here. As you can see, it has the cream collar on it, and it also has cream sleeves. Now to go with the top, it has bottoms. Let me show you. Alright, and these are the bottoms that go with the top. So they're just a straight leg all the way down, maybe a little flared, but not too much. And I think that they are going to be absolutely adorable together. I might throw on a little undershirt underneath, so I guess we shall see. Let's go ahead and give this one a try. Alright, check this action out. I love this outfit. It is so cute. So the zipper on the shirt goes two ways, like me, just kidding. So it can go up or it can go down. You can zip it all the way down if you want, which makes it kind of tight. So I just zipped it up a little bit. And there we go. You can zip it down further up top here. Just don't want to be showing anything I shouldn't be showing. But I just love it. These pants are super comfy. The shirt is nice and comfortable. Let me show you the back. And yeah, I think this outfit is super cute, and for the price you really can't beat it. This is going to be the last outfit for today, so if you've not given the video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. I spent a lot of hard work editing and filming the video. And if you enjoy videos like this, be sure to subscribe because I do all kinds of videos, fashion, wigs, crafts, and much more. So stick around this channel and you'll find that your creativity will explode. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.